Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another project. Today, we're going to be cleaning up the humble putty knife. I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alright guys, well let's get a good look at this real quick. She's not in bad shape at all. The handle is in really good shape. The blade, yeah, you know, they're always dirty and funky. I picked this up from the flea market. I think I paid $1 for it. I do have a small spackle job to do in the house. I want to get that taken care of. I can't find my good hide knife, so I'm going to use this 3-inch offset, get it cleaned up, and then I can throw that in my spackle kit that I have. It's a very stiff knife. You can use this as a scraper and or a spackle knife, but this does have the offset. And yeah, I really like laying tape with a spackle knife like this. So I say we start cleaning it up. We'll take it to the wire wheel, try and get most of the funk off the blade, and yeah, let's go. Well, the blade cleaned up rather nice. There is a bunch of staining. I do want to throw a sander on this, try and get it a little cleaner. But I'm quite happy getting all that stuff off there. And the edge is still in pretty good shape too, so that'll just need a little bit of cleaning. Just trying to get the paint off the handle. Alright, so we got us a little bit of paint or spackle on the handle. I want to lightly just try and see if that's going to show up at all. Lightly just try and scrape this off here. I don't want to damage the wood too much. Apologize about the dogs, guys. Wow, that's on there. There we go. Nice. Got his little tiny piece right there. Another little piece right over here. Looks like it's it for the paint. Let me give a nice little scrape right there, just a little bit, just to even that out. We are going to go over this with a mahogany stain. Alright. So there's the handle. You can see where there was paint on there, where it's scraped off. Definitely have to address that with some stain. The blade came out really good, but it's not clean enough. So we're going to throw a sander on this, try and make it look a little bit better. Alright, so we're going to throw a little drizzle of WD on there. Wet sand it with some 1000. Alright. Sandpaper pushed off to the side. Sanding block. Oh yeah, much nicer. Much nicer. I mean, it's still scratchy and nasty looking, but it's got that matte finish. I'm absolutely cool with that. Yeah, that's pretty cool. We're going to clean up this ferrule real quick. I think I'm going to use the Dremel on that. Alright guys, we got some red mahogany here from Midwex. Do this handle up. I'm not putting an awful lot on there. That's all I got on the tip of that paper towel. I'm just doing it enough to get some moisture back into the handle. Get the little scuff marks that I put on there back off. Okay, that was all we needed there. Alright guys, I just put some Midwex finishing paste on there, and we are going to continue to keep wiping this down with that. I think it looks a lot better. There we go. All the funk and the gunk is off it. A viable user again. I am really happy with that. That only took about 30 minutes, so not too bad. Now I gotta get in there and take care of my little spackle job that I gotta do. And that's it for this one. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with the 3-inch putty knife, scraper, whatever you want to call it. I will be using this as a putty knife in the house. I gotta go in there and do a little job real quick, and well, I needed it, so hence the little short video. But this took a half hour to get done. I'm quite happy with that. I got plenty of time to tape and spackle inside, so that's it for this one guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, stay safe, be safe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.